Hello. Today I'll be demonstrating how to use Airboxr's lookup function to compare ad metrics from two different sources, Google Ads and Facebook Ads, on the same spreadsheet. So the first thing you want to do is to import your ad metrics from one of the data sources. So that could be Facebook Ads. So you click on Import, click on Facebook Ads. You want to click on the Ad Performance table, and then click on Select Columns. And on this page, you want to select the columns of data that you want to import from Facebook Ads onto your Google Sheets. So for this example, we'll be importing the day. We'll also be importing the impressions, amount spent, as well as the number of clicks. You have the option of filtering your data, but that's optional. And in the summarize portion, we want to kind of sum up our clicks, impressions, data according to the date. So essentially for each unique day, we want to see like how many clicks, how much we spent, and how many impressions that we generated. And we'll do that in the summarize page, and we're importing the data. So we first want to group the data by the day. And then in the summarize part, we want to essentially sum up the impressions column, the amount spent column, as well as the clicks column. And once you've set those up, you can import your data. And after a few moments, you'll see your aggregated Facebook ads data metrics imported into your Google spreadsheet. So again, you have your impressions, amount spent, and your clicks kind of all summed up according to the date. And now we want to import our Google Ads data onto the same spreadsheet to directly compare them. So in order to do that, you want to click on the lookup button on the home page again, and now click on Google Ads as your source. Your ad performance table, and here you will specify the columns from your Google Ads data that you want to import into your existing spreadsheet. So again, for this example, we're going to import the day, which is really important because that's what we're going to use to kind of append the Google Ads data with our existing Facebook data. Then we're also going to import the clicks data, impressions, as well as cost. And here in the match keys section, this is where we want to match essentially the days column from our imported Google Ads data with the days column of the Facebook data, which we had already imported into our spreadsheet. So what this essentially does is that it appends the clicks, cost, and impressions data from our Google Ads onto the same spreadsheet, and kind of aligns our Facebook and Google data according to the day. So on each row, you're going to have a unique date, as well as the corresponding Google Ads and Facebook Ads data, that were generated on those dates on the same row of your spreadsheet. So once you match your keys, click on Complete Lookup, and you're going to see your Google Ads data appended onto your same spreadsheet. And this is going to allow you to very easily compare your Facebook and your Google metrics according to the date on the same row. And this was a very short demonstration of how to use Airboxr's lookup functionality to compare metrics from different data sources in the same spreadsheet. Stay tuned for more tutorials on how to use Airboxr to enhance your spreadsheet work.